Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to save a TikTok video without a watermark or a TikTok logo. Now, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you are new to this channel. Now guys, if you find a video like this one and you would like to save it in your gallery but you don't need a TikTok watermark or a TikTok logo, you're gonna press on the share button. Make sure you press on the share button right here. And then guys, press on copy link. Press on copy link. After copying the link, guys, come to your browser and search Synaptic. Search Synaptic. Like this one. Then guys, press right here. Press up here. Then guys, paste the link you copied on TikTok right here. Paste the link here. You paste the link here. Then guys, press on download. Then guys, they'll bring you this page. Scroll down here and then press on download. Press on download again right here. So guys, you can see the file is downloaded. So that's how you can save a TikTok video without a watermark. I'll show you in my gallery. And here is the video, guys. You can see there is no watermark, there is no TikTok logo. So that's how you can save a video on TikTok without watermark or TikTok logo. Make sure you like the video, guys. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.